flag, drifting through the wind, wanting to start